So I must have known I was actually going to do a lot of track laying, because I bought a box of cork road bed and a box of flex track. And the flex track comes, they're all pre-wrapped up in sections of 5. And then when you get them, as you can see, you go down the line kind of slowly. But there's no holes drilled in it for any kind of spikes or anything. But if you flip it over, you can kind of see the start of some of the holes. So you got to drill those out before you get started, or you're not going to be using little spikes to put her down. So I'll get that done and we'll start laying some track. I'll get in my rail loaders. So now that we get the mine area all done up, we can get a train up to it, and then get the risers there, put the cloth on it, and now we're just in the process of doing the cork road bed. And yes, I know everybody makes comments all the time about how much I like push pins. A little bit more to go. So it's coming along. Might even be running trains soon. Laps. Just gotta find a way to make a bridge over there, and that bridge that I bought from Walters, well, it's not gonna work. Huh. So I was kind of hoping that that bridge would work, but it's going to be a little curved area, so that one there goes that way, and that one there goes right in that way. So it'll fit like that. It's just I got to find a bridge that'll match that up. So something tells me I'm going to be making something. Wonder if I know a good woodworker with maybe a scroll saw. Yeah, might be an idea. Might have to ask the wife to make me up something. Looks like a bridge. Never know. Okay, till we get some track down, and then I'll see you then. Talk to you then. Well, it's the next day and the cork is dry. And I'm just kind of placing the tracks on there to see what kind of turn radiuses I've got. Over there we've got 22-inch radiuses, and we follow it around, and this outside bend is a 26, so that makes the inside a 24. Thinking about a couple of re-railers right about there. The switch will go there. And this curve here is about a 22. So we'll get these pins ripped up, get some track on there. See you in a bit. Okay, so from the mine area, we'll have to construct a bridge of some sort. Down and around we go. Little run around track in the main. To the switch. And I got a little piece there I got to do yet. And then on to cleaning up the top of the benchwork. So, all set in. Track nails are all in. Tacks are holding her down. Add a little bit of glue, and I'll be running trains for tomorrow. See you then, guys. Alright, so we got the glue in, so we're just going to wait for it to dry. I'll check it later tonight. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon right now. But I'm thinking it'll probably be tomorrow. We'll get down here and test out some trains. See you then. Okay, so we're going to do test number 1 for the outside loop. And we'll be right back and try the inside loop. Well, I think we got it, inside and outside, both working pretty good. Well, now we can move on over to there. Head around. And a little more cleanup to do first, I guess, before I go that way. But that's going to be another video. Till next time, guys. Talk to you later.